morning students. Now I am going to take science for you. So this science revision paper number 2. In the last week we had sent revision paper number 1. I think all of you have received and you have practiced in the rough note. So if you have not practiced in the rough note, please practice in the rough note 3 or 4 times. And now you are sending revision paper 2. So this also you practice in the rough note 3 or 4 times. Okay children. Now I am going to read the revision paper number 2. All the mains, listen carefully. First one, fill in the first main, fill in the blanks. First one, fish live in dash. So in the dash you must write water, water, water. Second one, the work of the queen bee is only laying dash. So in the dash you must write eggs, eggs, eggs. Third one, dash are flying together in the sky. So in the dash you must write birds, birds, birds. Fourth one, dash has 5 national parks and 5 bird sanctuaries. So, in the dash you must write Karnataka. 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 Okay children, so once again I am going to read. Fish live in water. Water. Second one, the work of the queen bee is only laying eggs. Eggs, eggs. Third one, dash are flying together in the sky. So, birds, birds. Fourth one, Karnataka has 5 national parks and 5 bird sanctuaries. Karnataka, Karnataka. Now second main, write yes or no. First one, the radish is a root vegetable. Yes, it is correct. So in the bracket you write yes, yes. Second one, plants do not need water. So in the bracket you write that is wrong. So you write in the bracket no, no. Next one, flowers are of different shapes and colors. So yes, the flowers are in different shapes, sizes and are in different colors. So it is true. So you write in the bracket yes, yes, yes. Fourth one, the clouds float high in the sky. So in the bracket you write yes, yes. Now next third main, write one uses of each trees. First one, banyan tree. So for banyan tree, it is used for treating diarrhea. IT it, ISCs, USED used, FR for TREATING treating, DIARRHOEA diarrhea. Next second one, gooseberry. It provides vitamin C. IT it PROVIDES provides vitamin vitamin C. It provides vitamin C. Fourth main, name the young ones. First one, goat, kid, KID, kid. Second one, pig, piglet, PIGLET, piglet. Third one, hare, leveret, LEVERET, leveret. Fourth one, horse, colt, COLT, colt. So once again I am going to repeat that one. First one, goat, kid, pig, piglet, hare, leveret, horse, colt. Next fifth main, write uses of these animals. First one, cow. Cow gives us milk. COW, cow. GIVES gives. US us. MILK, milk. Second one, camel. It is used to carry loads. IT, ISEs, USED used. TO2, CARRY, carry. LOADS, loads. Third one, horse. It is used for riding. IT, ISEs, USED used. FR for RIDING, riding. So once again I am going to repeat that one. Cow, Cow gives us milk. Camel, it is used to carry loads. Horse, it is used for riding. Next main, missing letters. First one, HIGHEST, highest. Second one, MINERAL, mineral. Third one, respiration, RESPIRATION, respiration. Fourth one, bleeding, BLEEDING, bleeding. Fifth one, swollen, SWOLLEN, swollen. Now next main, write the food items of these animals they eat. First one, cow. So cow, what it will eat? Grass, leaves. GRAS, grass. LEAVES, leaves. Second one, dog. So what it will eat? Meat, milk. MEAT, meat. MILK, milk. Third one, a rat. Plants and small animals. PLANTS, plants. AND, SMALL, small. ANIMALS, animals. Fourth one, frog. Worms and insects. WORMS, worms. And INSECTS, insects. Worms and insects. Fifth one, fish. So it will eat insects. INSECTS, insects. So once again I am going to repeat that one. Cow, grass, leaves. Second one, dog, meat, milk. Third one, rat, plants and small animals. Fourth one, frog, worms and insects. Fish, insects. Now next main, match the following. So in the A side they given first one hen, second one fish, third one horse, fourth one ox, fifth one buffalo. So in the B side they are given horse carriage, flowing, egg, milk, eating insects in water. So you must match them. Now first hen. So hen in the B side in the third line it is their egg. So there you write number 1. Second one fish. So eating insects in water. So in the B side in the fifth line it is there eating insects in water. So there you write number 2. Third one horse. So in the B side in the first line it is there horse carriage. There you write number 3. Fourth one ox. So in the B side in the second line it is there plowing. There you write number 4. Next fifth one buffalo. So it gives us milk. So in the B side in the fourth line milk is there. So there you write number 5. Okay children, now I am going to say correct answer. Hen, egg, fish, eating insects in water, horse, horse carriage, ox, plowing, buffalo, milk. Now next main, write the uses of these root vegetables. So first one carrot. It is good for our eyes and it is good for digestive health. IT eat, IS is GOOD good, FR for OUR our, EYES eyes, AND and IT eat, IS is GOOD good, FR for DIGESTIVE digestive, HEALTH health. It is good for our eyes and it is good for digestive health. Second one beetroot. It helps in low blood pressure. It is a good source of potassium. Low blood pressure means low BP. IT eat, HELPS helps, iron in, LOW low, BLOOD blood, PRESSURE pressure. IT eat, IS is A, GOOD good, SOURC is source, OF of POTASSIUM potassium. It helps in low blood pressure. It is a good source of potassium. Now next main, 10th main, answer the following. First one, name some parts of the plant. So the parts of the plant are root, stem, leaf, fruit, seeds, flowers. R-O-O-T root, S-T-E-M stem, L-E-A-F leaf, F-R-U-I-T fruit, S-E-E-D-S seeds, F-L-O-W-E-R-S flowers. Second one, what happens to the water that has evaporated? Answer, the evaporated water gets mixed in the air. TH is the EVAPORATED, evaporated. WATER, water. GETS, gets. MIXED, mixed. IN, in. TH is the AIR, air. The evaporated water gets mixed in the air. Okay, children. So these are the revisions of science revision paper 2. Any doubt, children? I think you could have understood this revision. So once again I am saying that if you are not practice revision 1, please practice in the rough note 2 or 3 times, and revision paper 2 also you practice in the rough note 2 or 3 times. Okay, children? Thank you.